Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a payment method in the Breeze Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the green button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the payment methods button. And then click on the add payment method button. So first you have to give the cardholder's name. And then here's a little note that what type of credit cards that they accept. And then you have to set the card number and the expiration date. And then just click on the save card button and the new payment method is added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.